In this video, I want to quickly take you through how you can recover your limited PayPal account. Let me take you to my laptop so you can see what I'm talking about. I want to be showing you some screenshots just to buttress my point and so that you can understand it very well. So as you can see from this screenshot, your PayPal account is currently limited, and you can see what they said. Why your account is limited, they stated some reasons why my account was limited, and currently you won't be able to send money or withdraw funds. So at that point where my account was limited, I could not even withdraw, but I can sign into my account. I cannot withdraw, I cannot send funds, but money can come in, and it is dangerous. If you've ever been in this kind of position, you know that it's very dangerous. So I got this email, and these are the things I was asked to provide. These are the documents I was asked to provide. Upload a photo ID, provide your business information, submit your bank statement, provide more information on your transactions. So they asked me to provide these 4 things. And I was able to do everything, and they verify the account successfully. And I want to just take you through how I go about it. Especially if you're in Nigeria and you're operating accounts, maybe a Lesotho account or Arab Emirate account. So this is how you can go about it. Upload a photo ID. It is advisable to actually upload ID, maybe passport. Passport is the best thing you can upload, since you are not operating the account as a Nigeria account. It is not a Nigeria account. It is Arab Emirate account or Lesotho account. That means you are out of your country. That's the only reason you are able to operate the account. So the best thing you can provide that will be genuine is your passport, international passport. And that is what I provided here for the upload a photo ID. And provide your business information. Business information that you can provide. You can provide an Instagram account. Just maybe link to your Instagram account or Facebook page. And if you have like a Fiverr page with your name on it, with your details, you can provide that. Or if you have a website, you can just maybe open a website with your name. That's what I did. I have a personal name, femivictor.xyz. So that's my personal account, and I actually use my account, the URL, and a screenshot of the page. So that's what I actually provided, and it was approved. So submit your bank statement. This place is kind of tricky because it is a US. They expect you to actually upload most likely a US account details. They know, especially if you link your PayPal account to a US bank account, they expect you to provide that bank statement. That's what I provided. I provided for my Wise account, and on my Wise account I have Nigerian address there, but this is actually I'm using an Arab Emirates PayPal account. So what I had to do is to edit the PDF file of my Wise bank account statement. I edit it through Adobe Illustrator. If you know any designer that is using Adobe Illustrator can help you to edit it. So you need to edit the address to match the address you are using on PayPal, and that's what I did. I'm using Arab Emirate address, so I had to edit the bank statement to match it. And that's what I did. And the last one, which seems to be the trickiest one, is provide more information about your transaction. And what I did here is to actually explain, and the description that I put in those transactions, I think I had to do 3 transactions like that. So the first one I put in all of them, I put the lead is from my website, and the project, the work process was done through WhatsApp. And I actually chatted with myself using my other WhatsApp account, like the work process, the way I delivered, and how the client requested the payment through WhatsApp, that you can send your PayPal address so that I can pay. So I chatted with myself and I screenshotted it, and I sent a copy of a work that I did, maybe any design work that I have on ground, because I'm a designer. So I sent a copy of a work and the screenshot of that chart, and I put it there, and it was approved. That's how the account was approved. And you can see here, your information is being reviewed. That's the something I got after uploading those information, and I got this email that your account has been restored. As you can see here, we review the information you provided for reference, and we remove the limitation placed. You are now able to access your features that were limited before. We appreciate your patience and helping us resolve this issue. So that was how I was able to actually get off the limit. So, and my account is working perfectly till today. So I think that will help in your own case to just follow the process, and you'll be able to get your account approved. And thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and have a nice day. Thank you.